With a huge flow of water and a big natural basin, Duwili Falls is a beautiful silver cascade located in the Balangoda area, Ratnapura district. For nature lovers, a visit to this natural feast shall be a one-of-a-kind experience, since all the pristine forms of the environment create a scenic location around the falls. Giving you a bit of hiking and sightseeing, Duwili Falls is one of the best places in Sri Lanka to visit with your enthusiastic friends. Surrounding the falls is a dense jungle which homes to wide variety of flora and fauna, which you will be able to see many butterfly species and dragonflies. There is a small walk before reaching the falls, which climbs down a slope paved by a staircase. The falls is also known as Duwili and Balangoda East Falls, although a small cascade, the Duwili Waterfall, that is suspended at 40 meters height, enjoys quite a scenic stream all the way up to its jumping down station. The waterfall flows through a lush passage that is enclosed by shrubs and packs of trees until it reaches a craggy rock region, from which it plummets down with a single drop by splashing away the water all around in a dust manner, thus earning the name Duwili, the Sinhalese term for dust. The water stretch where the falls meets down is quite magnificent, being a vast shallow basin. There are a children's park and car parking facility at the fall. The best time of the year to visit Duwili Waterfall is the rainy season in the region for enjoying the true representation of Duwili, to dust. Ratnapura, the district where the falls is located, observes more amount of precipitation during the months from April through December. You are getting the opportunity to witness the milky rush of falls during the period. Otherwise, the falls shall be a bit dry. Located in Thangentena village of Ratnapura district, Duwili Waterfall is 27 kilometers away from Balangoda. You shall reach the destination by any sort of vehicle. The car park is possible nearby. A few steps from the parking lot shall get you to the observation point. We suggest you go for a 10 minutes hike to reach the fall.